All right, guys, today we're going to be focusing on the pendulum squat. This is a great machine. Unfortunately, this isn't the best built one. There's a lot of better manufacturers out there. We do have the Atlantis pendulum squat coming for the AMP facility. Right now, I don't actually know what manufacturer this is, but this really allows the glutes to kind of sink down and get kind of like an ass to grass saying that we use in the bodybuilding world, but really allows the hips and the glutes to kind of sink down to the heels. We're really going to be focusing on firing out of the fully lengthened position, meaning with her glutes dropping down, I really want her to think about driving the feet through the platform, not necessarily lifting the weight. I want to be thinking about pushing my feet through the platform for a maximum contraction, trying to create as much tension as possible through these reps. So we're still going to focus on that same foot placement that we did last time, okay?
Okay.
So let's go ahead and get in here and get set for me. All right. So let's gauge this first set. I want your feet as low as possibly can without your heel coming off of the platform, okay? I want that heel to stay planted. All right, shoulders. Let's bring your feet out just a hair. Right there, okay? Perfect. All right, I want you to think about your feet being as heavy as possible. You should not be able to lift your feet or move your feet, okay? I want you having the strongest connection as possible through this pad, okay? Through this platform. Woo, they tight, huh? Yeah, that pump, I'm telling you. You're going to feel as pumped as probably the most you've ever had today. Come on, let's get working, okay? All right, so right now what I want you to do is drive into that platform. Don't lift this up yet, okay? I want you to drive these. All right, you ready? Okay, drive through that platform for me right now. Up. Here we go. All the way down, Chelsea, deep. And go. 1, down. 2, 3, there you go. 4, 5, good. Push through the platform. 7, good. 8, nice. Let's go. 9, push. 10, 5 more for me. 1, 2, good. Let's go. 3, 4, drive through that platform all the way. Good. Twist that handle for me. Hard. There you go. And down. Excellent. Good. Coming out slow. Right over here for me. All right, I want 10 there, 10 back, the same lunge as we did to begin the workout, okay? Deep, deep, slow, nothing fast. Yeah. It's good. Here we go. 2. Good. There you go. Good. Turn around. Good, push the ground away from you. Remember, that's like a leg press. Push the ground away, don't lift our body up.
I'm so gone, no, I'm never turning back. I won't stop, I'ma fight until
Good.
there's nothing left. It's so on, you're gonna be hurting bad, cause I've been to hell and back. You don't wanna make me mad, I stay strong. You will never see me crack. And if you get in my way, you're gonna feel the wrath.
Pull them shoulders back a little bit. There we go. There we go. One more, Chelsea. Right there. Excellent set. Rest. I told you the pump doesn't play. I told you. It's, I've had a lot of products. When we formulated that pump, I don't work out without it anymore. It's so good. All right, remember, setup's everything, okay? So let's plant those feet in the exact same position you had them before, okay? Did you feel like your heel wanted to raise at any point? Bring them down a little bit, just a little bit. Right there? Yeah. Perfect. Perfect. You should feel locked in and secure. There should be nothing about your body that feels loose. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, So drive into that foot plate right now, and I want you to drive those shoulders up into that pad, okay? Now think about doing an ab crunch to where your back flat. Yep, right there. Here we go. Hold on, Chelsea. All right, we're ready. Here we go. Sink those hips down, push the platform away. 1, down. 2, good. 3, perfect. 4, let's go. 5, come on. 6, good. 7, good. Push the platform away. 8, sink those hips down, go. Push, good. Here we go, I'm gonna keep you working. Come on. 1, 2, control down. 3, 2 more. Push, breathe. Last one, go. Down. Good set.
Yeah. Oh yeah, the blood is. It's in there.
Yeah, hell yeah. Shoulders back. There we go. Good. Really stride out for me. Really stride out. There you go. Good. Plant that foot. Push away. Push away. Don't think about letting your chest fall forward to make forward progression. Push up. Drive away. There you go. Drive through. Drive through. Good. Drive through. One more. Right there, Chelsea. Good job. Good, good. Last one, Chelsea. Last one. Big one, big one. There you go. Nice job.
No leg pump. What I see, like the wellness pro, is pump their glutes.
You can right now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
We don't want that.
Right.
You want to be able to contract, but it's not like you're actually hitting,
Right.
you know, like a pose. You know what I'm
Yeah.
saying? But yeah, if we want to get back there, and I'll be back there with you. If you want to just put some blood in your glutes,
Yeah,
cool.
I see them do like kickbacks and like RDLs and like hip thrusts
Yeah.
type stuff.
See, I wouldn't say that would be bad or anything like that. You know, just to get some blood moving in there,
Yeah.
perfectly fine. I just
Yeah.
don't see why you're going to have an issue with any of that, because you're going to be so detailed.
Okay.
I mean, you're not going to get in worse condition than you are now. You know,
Right.
you're only going to get fine-tuned a little bit better.
Right.
Okay? And that's all we really need to do, because any more fine-tuning than that, like I said, it's going to put you in that too lean category. You know?
Yeah, I had pizza, and then, I mean, well, I wasn't able to bring everything, so I kind of improvised. Like, there was a meal prep place down the road.
Yeah. You did it as strict as possible. That's good. That's good. Yeah, like I said, over the next 2 weeks, I really want to monitor and see,
Yeah.
even though it's the same
ate-
foods.
So I ate a gluten-free pizza, so it wasn't super greasy
Okay.
or anything. Like, they made it, like, it tasted real fresh. So not like that big. I ate the whole
Okay, good. Still, there's cheese and the sauce and all that, so your body's like, gimme, gimme, you know? That's like a sponge, and you pour water on it, it's like,
Yeah.
you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, yeah.
All right, you ready? All right, this is good weight right here, Chelsea, okay? I need you to be as strict as possible. Always remember, no matter how heavy the weight gets and how hard it gets through the actual reps, we get more control the harder it gets, okay? I don't want to see you rush shit. I don't want to see none of that, okay? All right, you ready? All right, drive those shoulders up. You ready? And drive. Here we go. All right. Here we go. Plant those feet. Heavy feet. Drive through the platform. 1. Let's go. 2. Good. 3. Excellent. 4. 5. 6. Let's go. Let's go. 7. Come on. 8. 9. Let's go. Let's go. 3 more. 3 more. 3 more. Come on. 1. I got you. Let's go. 2. Drive. Good. Turn that handle. There you go. Down. Good set. Yeah. All right. Right into it if we can, okay? Good. Come on back. Good stride. Step out there. Hey, there we go. There we go. That's it. Come on, one more. Good job. You know what, Chelsea? We're here to work.
Okay. It's okay. Sure.
I know you can do this. I wouldn't give you something you couldn't do. All right. Plant those feet good for me, okay? You ready?
Yep.
7 reps, okay? When you push up for your 7th rep, going into rep 8, I want you to bring this rack down as slow as possible, okay? Driving into that platform. We're stopping at the bottom. I'm going to take a plate off. I'll tell you when to fire, okay?
Okay.
All right, here we go. Whenever you're ready. All right. Drive. Let's go. 1. Breathe. 2. 3. 4. 5. Let's go. 6. 7. Slow as possible. Slow. Slower. 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 Good. Up. 1. Here we go. 2. 3. Let's go. Come on. 4. 5. 6. Up. Down slow. Slow as you can. Slow, 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 slow. Good. One more. One more. Here we go. Up. Good. And half rep. 1. Don't bounce it. Don't bounce it. 2. Contract through. Contract up. Contract down. Here we go. Come on. You got 4 more. 4 more. Let's go. Half rep. 1. 2. 3. All the way. Go. Nice. Up. Down. Right there. It's okay. Breathe, breathe, breathe. That was a good set, Chelsea. That's how we push. Remember I was talking about limits, you know? You build that.